Hello everyone! Today we are going to discuss the detailed comparison between rabbit meat and chicken meat from the nutritional and culinary perspectives. First, let's talk about the nutritional values. Both rabbit and chicken meats are high in protein, with rabbit having around 2 to 5 grams per 100 grams and chicken having around 28 to 30 grams per 100 grams. However, rabbit meat has significantly lower saturated fat content compared to chicken, around 1 to 2 grams per 100 grams, while chicken has around 4 to 5 grams per 100 grams. Rabbit also has significantly higher fiber content, around 4 to 5 grams per 100 grams, which can aid digestion. On the other hand, chicken has slightly higher carbohydrate content, around 5 to 8 grams per 100 grams. From a culinary perspective, both rabbit and chicken meats can be prepared in various ways, such as grilling, roasting, braising, and frying. They both have a similar flavor profile, with a mild to moderate flavor and a texture that is lean and tender when cooked properly. Rabbit meat, in particular, has a slightly more delicate taste and texture compared to chicken. One of the advantages of rabbit meat is that it is more digestible than chicken, especially for individuals with digestive issues or dietary restrictions. Rabbit meat also has a lower fat content, making it a healthier option for those watching their fat intake. In conclusion, both rabbit and chicken meats are high in protein and fiber, but differ in their nutritional composition and culinary preparation methods. While chicken is a popular choice for many, rabbit meat can be a nutritious and digestible alternative for those with dietary restrictions or preferences. Ultimately, the choice between the two comes down to personal preference and dietary needs.